Yeah, and I think I face that a lot of times when I do meditations, like listen to a lot of these YouTube guided meditations and stuff. Like
Mm.
sometimes it doesn't show effect on me, and I was like, people are having the effect on them, and I was like, why am I not able to, fully concentrate on that? That was
That's
always
because
a question.
you know usually. See, even I face that, and I mean everyone, most people face that. Even I face that's why I'm saying out of my own experience also. So in the beginning, we are not able to concentrate. That's because okay, social media and blah and all of these things. So we can't go to that slow speed. Na? See, mind is like mind also has a processing speed. No, our computer has a processing speed. So right now there is an X speed of your computer processing. But if you
Hmm.
type everything, you open up everything. Let's say you open up together 100 things, well, 200 things. It'll hang. No, it can't take it.
Mm-hmm.
But if the processing speed of the computer
Yeah,
is more powerful, now you open 100 things also, it's not going to hang, right?
correct.
So that's exactly like a mind. So you have to increase the bandwidth of your mind in terms of the processing. Also, it can be done slowly. And
Hmm.
once you can lower down the speed of your processing, then that meditation tape or whatever, now that will be better for you. I mean, you'll be able to focus constantly.
Yeah, I
So,
mean, I think over the sessions also I've noticed that, I'm trying so hard to, slow down and, think slower
hmm,
because so that the technique can have more effect on what I am, doing. That's one thing I'm just constantly struggling with, to slow my own mind. Like,
so what you can do, you can create your own meditation tape for yourself,
hmm,
with the speed that works for you. For
hmm,
example, for the speed that works for you could be a little bit more conversation with a little bit gaps. So you can
hmm,
close your eyes and take a deep breath as you're taking a deep breath. So this could be the speed,
hmm.
hmm, not with too much gaps in between, not like a huge gap. Okay. So having lesser gaps, having faster is a speed that works for you. So you record it. Okay.
Okay.
And a good idea for you could be adding a little bit of background music.
Hmm.
The reason is that you will either it will give you more things to focus in terms of you're focusing on this plus that background. So it's like giving you that additional effect.
I think for me also, when we do these meditations, automatically background music starts playing in my imagination as well. That's what happens sometimes.
It's already happening. Perfect. Right? So that's giving you
Yeah, it just
more
starts playing random
theme.
song that I might have heard the
Yeah.
other day, just plays.
Yeah. Perfect. So you can either do that or have it actually. So it's giving more things for your mind to process. No?
Yeah.
So that's why I said adding some music. So you do it for yourself. You know how it works, right? So you just whatever I just did, just do that. Or this recorded thing that I just did, it's anyways recorded, right?
Hmm.
You can play it, but make it on 1.2 speed or 1.5 speed, something like that.
Mm-hmm.
So that's another trick if you are like record phone karega. So you can either record or watch this thing in that speed, okay, faster speed. So once your mind is in sync with it, and then slowly reducing the speed at which your mind processes, and then those videos on YouTube and all you'll be able to do. Okay. And
Okay.
again, I'm saying that out of my own personal experience also, so I know what you mean. So that's what has worked for me.
Okay.
So it's like processing speed of the mind. We have to simply lower it is the solution.
Okay. That's why I was thinking, is something wrong with me that
No,
it's not working?
I hope that is. I think this it's not huge. Most people, in fact.
Okay. Thank you.
Like